Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we will go through how I will show you how I change board size and shape as I want or as it needs to be. So I will show you a quick way how to do that. When I'm here, you first make sure you are in the new PCB document. Once you're there, I press 1 on my keyboard, or you can go here to view and then board planning mode. As you can see, it's number 1 and you get to this uh, window. So now what we need to do is go here to the design and redefine board shape. So now I will go and go around this board right here to shape it, to get the points like so. And now I can edit board shape and drag it down as I wish. So I will make a little bit nicer. So again, like this, and I will just move these points right here. So now is basically in nicer shape. I can now put more smaller one. I can also make something like this. Now you can just play a little bit as you wish. What I also do is to set the origin. So I go here to the edit and then origin set, and I can place it right here as my center. And now this is now my center. So as you can see, I did some offset, so I will put it like this. If you want to change the grid, you just hit the G number here on your keyboard, and after that you can place it right here, something like that. So this is how you can change your board shape. I hope it was helpful to you. So if it was, consider to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.